Hey guys, it's CJ Investing here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm just talking about some of the stocks that I'm looking at in the market, because there are a lot of deals out there in the market, and I feel if you see a deal, you should go take advantage of it after you do your research first. So I've been researching Google more. I understand the company, and I want to emphasize the importance of investing in companies that you know and love, that you understand, because a lot of times you won't sell when you get emotional or something, when the stock goes down, because I've been taught that the stock market moves off of emotion, and the strong hands will have the major gains in the long term. So I'm thinking about buying Google. Right now it's at around like $85, $90, which is still an incredible deal. I think it could possibly fall more, as I think the market could fall more, but I'm really thinking about adding it to my portfolio despite it not paying a dividend. If you don't know, I'm a dividend investor. I really try to add stocks that pay dividends, even if it's a small one like Visa, which I also own in my portfolio. And I'm not buying right now because it's a little bit high in price to me. So yeah, I'm thinking about adding Google back at like around $80 a share or so, 85. And I'm also looking at Meta stock. Even though I don't understand Meta as well, or I don't use any of Meta's products, I am considering it, adding it to my portfolio, as well as Adobe. Now I do use Adobe Premiere Rush, like for editing my videos, and I have used Adobe Premiere Pro, which I'm certified in. But I'm thinking about that stock because that valuation has been more than cut in half. I think it's at like $200 and something right now, 280, 270 something. But it's a great deal. But you shouldn't take my word for it. You should go out there and check it out for yourself, see what you like out there, because there are plenty of deals no matter the sector. You can find deals in every sector right now. We're in a rare moment in the market. Sell-offs happen, but they rarely happen to this extent. Like some of these stock valuations are back all the way to the 2009 crisis, 2008, 2009. That's how much they've sold off. And it doesn't always make sense, but there's a lot of money to be made off of the confusion in the market, off of emotion. And you can't be emotional yourself. You got to maintain a level head. And you can't make decisions based off of emotions, because you're going to end up making the wrong decisions in the long term. So like I said, I'm a dividend investor, but I will make exceptions for companies like Google, Meta, and there's a few others out there in the market. I can't think of them right now, but I haven't buying Lockheed Martin in a long time. That stock it seems like it goes up every day. I'm like, just come down for just a minute so I can buy a little bit. But that's a great company as well. They pay a huge dividend, and they have a decent amount of growth in it as well. With the sector that it's in, it's just a monster. And they get like military contracts like all the time. Like I'm always getting notifications for them and things like that. Good things that come off the company. So I'm always interested in that company, just not at the price that it's currently at, because I feel it is way too expensive. So I don't really like Amazon like that. I don't really use Amazon like that, to be honest with you. They don't have, first off, Microsoft and Google have way better margins than Amazon. I was watching a video on Everything Money, and they were just comparing like valuations. Amazon's valuation is It's come down quite a bit. I think it's down around like 50% or something like that. But I still wouldn't buy it over those other companies because they're not making as much as money as you would think. And they're not that profitable, even though they're valued at like $1 trillion. I don't think they're worth that. But Apple, as you know, I think that's way too expensive right now. But it's Apple at the end of the day. Apple doesn't have a lot of growth left. Don't get me wrong, I think it can still grow, but I'm not interested in it. I think it's a great company, but the stock isn't all that to me. So I'm not really investing in that. I do love Microsoft, and I'm considering investing back into Microsoft at the right price, at the right valuations. I am willing to pay a premium for Microsoft because you're getting a little bit of growth and dividends, and they have great margins and stuff like that. But it has to come down to the right price because I want to invest in the best value for my money in my Roth IRA. And I'm not just gonna be continuing to buy these way overvalued stocks. We got all these deals out there in the market that are screaming buys right now. So thanks for listening to my rant. This is just a quick video. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching, always supporting. I love y'all, and peace. See you later.